Catch a next one for the chop, you know. Bird bush. Partridges are catching. Some people don't even know what kind of bird that. It's a similar bird too. Pedo and pigeon, similar family, but them live in a chocolate one. You see this? It's a cocoa. It's dry right now still, but some people call it cocoa.
This them eat.
They call it chocolate. See there? On the dry. Season out of but the partridges them eat. They see them. When the woodpecker and rat and them thing, they go and bust it, and so when they see them drop out, they let them walk on the ground and eat. So set some chop.
But fire. All them things will fly and slap you in your face, you know, so that's why you have to stay a good distance from it. And I'll set it.
Them two, yeah.
See the food in the salt of the chocolate seed them and the slip nut. You step on the stick there. They're supposed to fly and they're supposed to grab them by them 2 feet.
Set the chop them and take a break and I go roast some breadfruit and I go see it go out. Sweet bad. This don't need nothing. We could have some ackee and saltfish right now, but this don't need nothing. Right? Don't do that, it's nice. All like a temporary thing to put them in there. Just put me some drop them in, like it back. So we can move around because every time we take them off and chop and I have them in my hand, we can't sit back the chop. So, don't know, I have to find a way to isolate them until we get to the pen. Fever grass steam on it. We set the bird chop them and the calaban them. Give them a little time and then we'll circle them, circle the blackness over them and go out.
That's it.
Fever grass and ginger tea. I never seen nobody cheers with tea yet. Cheers, my general. Circle when I chop them, you know. See there? See there? Come on. You're not going nowhere today. You're not going nowhere. See man. See him there? Yeah. First chop we running a catch. I'm circling around with them now.
I go there. Just watch a chop and catch it like a big meal.
Yeah. Watch him full. A mill around the chop and I walk around it until it catch him. Like that one to catch. Yeah man. I want to hold something. I'm in the middle of that. Wrap him up around the tree too. Wrap him up around the tree. Oh yeah. Yeah, try that. Yeah, see that? Alright, the fly trap they might prevail more than anything. Yeah, see him wrap up around the tree. I try to get to it, that's why them little may have to move them because then we use them to help themselves. Get me. I mean, I go again and 2 patches. 2 chop, 2 patches. That's it. Yeah, this is another meal. Come on. Next one, over there. Yeah, 2 chop forward. Yeah, tell me, naturally, they don't have enough to survive off grid. Yeah, man, them birds that eat pure chocolate and seeds and grains and everything. So, the most organic meat, you see me? That the farmers. I want to get catch my neck, you know. Watcha. My neck, you know. Watcha the hog. You check what this is. Yeah, it's dead. Dead, catching head and in wing, watch it. Catching head and in wing. I know I'm pretty, man. I'm pretty too, you know. Well, I want to have to go in the pot. Yeah, man, I butch for the youth, you know. I have a fresh kill, you know. Give my bird experience. I'm going nowhere. Yeah, man. See him there?